Imagine waking up tomorrow with the chance to start fresh, to reset your mind and become anyone you want. What if I told you that this isn't just a dream, but something you can actually achieve by trying a series of powerful psychological self-experiments? Today we're going to dive into 5 intriguing experiments designed to help you transform your life. These are practical steps that can guide you toward becoming the best version of yourself. The first experiment is called the 72-hour Neurovoid Reset. For 3 days, you'll cut off all screens. This means no phones, no internet, no digital input of any kind. At first, this might sound daunting. We've all become so accustomed to the constant buzz of notifications and the endless scroll of social media. But the key here is not to isolate yourself. Instead, embrace the world around you. Go out into nature and take a walk in the park, feeling the earth beneath your feet and the wind on your face. Have real meaningful conversations with friends or family without the distraction of digital devices. Pick up a physical book and lose yourself in its pages. Sit in silence and allow your mind to wander freely. This isn't about deprivation. It's about restoring your mental clarity by removing artificial noise. Imagine how much more focused and present you could become. You might find that your emotions sharpen and your thoughts quiet down in a way they haven't in years. Remember the last time you watched a sunset without snapping a photo? That sense of peace and presence is what this experiment seeks to cultivate. The Oblivion Loop. Choose a phrase that resonates deeply with you, an idea that challenges you, shifts your perspective, or holds significant weight. This could be something as simple as "I am enough," or as profound as "I create my own destiny." Once you've chosen your phrase, repeat it on loop through audio for hours, even while you sleep. Over time, this phrase will sink past your conscious thought and begin to reshape how you see yourself and the world around you. This is belief rewiring by immersion. It's slow, subtle, yet incredibly powerful. Think of it like planting a seed in your mind that slowly grows, changing your internal dialogue. Have you ever had a song stuck in your head for days? This experiment harnesses that same power, but with intentionality and purpose. The Time Dilution Trial. Every 15 to 30 minutes, stop and reset your mind. Act as if you've just woken up in a brand new moment. Do this consistently for 48 hours. This might sound strange, but it's incredibly revealing. You'll start to notice how much of your life runs on autopilot. By catching yourself and resetting, you regain control over your awareness in real time. It's like hitting the refresh button on your mind. Have you ever driven somewhere and realized you don't remember the journey? This experiment helps you wake up to the present over and over again, giving you the opportunity to live each moment fully and intentionally. The Death Trial Rehearsal. For 2 days, live as if you're going to die in exactly 48 hours. Every choice you make, every word you say, let it come from that sense of urgency. It's intense and confronting, but also incredibly clarifying. You'll quickly cut out anything hollow or performative. What's left is the real you, doing only what truly matters. Imagine the clarity and focus you'd gain. Think about a time when you faced a life-changing decision, and suddenly everything seemed clear. This experiment brings that level of clarity to your everyday life, helping you prioritize what's truly important. And finally, the becoming ritual. This one is my personal favorite. Choose a version of yourself you're not yet, someone stronger, sharper, more fearless. Live as them for 72 hours. Speak how they would. Make decisions they'd make. Don't just act, embody. Your brain doesn't know the difference between pretending and reality, and the longer you stay in character, the more it becomes real. This is not about pretending, it's about becoming. Think of it like when you've taken on a new role at work or in life and slowly grew into it. This is like that, but intentional and focused. By immersing yourself in this version of you, you begin to internalize these traits, making them a natural part of who you are. Each of these experiments offers a unique pathway to resetting your mind and reshaping your life. They're not just about trying something new, but about discovering the parts of yourself that are waiting to emerge. The most important thing is to start. Pick one experiment that resonates with you and dive in. See where it takes you and what you learn about yourself along the way. Imagine how different your life could be if you embrace these experiments. You have the power to become anyone you want, to live a life that's true to who you are at your core. It all begins with a single step, a decision to challenge yourself and explore the possibilities. Remember, the journey to becoming your best self is a continuous process. It's about growth, exploration, and transformation. Thank you for watching, and I hope you feel inspired to embark on your own journey of self-discovery. Remember, change doesn't happen overnight, But with dedication and an open mind, you can truly reset your mind and become anyone you want. So why not start today? The possibilities are endless, and the power is in your hands. If you enjoyed the video, do make sure to like and subscribe,